You any marry way. You any marry way. You want use your best friend to shop. Good morning. Esther, man. Cause you need. Mavero, don't you?
Problem every time.
So West,
carry fat come me there for us. Every time, police come arrest.
What contribute here?
Yeah, my sister.
Sharon
every day. Because
yeah, so my
she was jealousy. Outside.
My sister best speak pidgin English.
You tell your sister,
may you be careful, put your eye down, not the type of friend we do.
Yes, now.
Sharon really loves this girl. He takes this girl as a friend, as a sister.
What is happening?
Sharon,
worst enemy.
Sharon, no. The worst enemy when Sharon don't ever meet for this life. People when Sharon don't even live say, hey, all those one are my enemy. Anyone else you.
Yes.
Anyone else you.
Yes.
This one when she come deal with now, you will see all those times when they say, Sharon, husband, I'm going to talk to Sharon. Is your guy
yes.
Now, is the inside? Is they go see everything when Sharon they talk? Go carry go give the boy.
Yes.
Because they easy really know that Sharon loves this boy. He manipulated that boy not to sleep with Sharon until the day she gave birth.
Yes.
He manipulated Osio and Ase. He manipulated Esther. Sauté on your pied. On the pain and the girl down there. Where he lost that guy, he lost the pain where that one little sister gets. She really loved that man.
To go,
but she manipulated that man not to speak with her.
Yes.
Then, not say people go come and they talk, but the main point.
They know they bring them out.
The main point. Suppose he say Sharon, baby papa, talk to her before she born. Nothing for her to Sharon. Well, I don't know what to do, Sharon. Sickness, that love when she love him, man. When they say, man, I pardon her, I pardon picking with them. You know what that thing means. And Sharon, okay, it can be a body, the spirit don't fail live her before she back for this life.
Yes, now, because she was going through a lot.
They do together.
And everything she was going through, she was so explain and give this woman drop. This woman
as me, heartless human being.
I'll say I love my friend, that my friend don't buy. What did mama do me when I was putting the whole mama the
I just tired.
You know why I can't talk this?
Even though, it's young women more what did mama, what did they ask this day? What did mama do you? So all those why when this girl buy her, she born. So all your own make it bad, you go carry children. It don't go feel work.
You don't feel work now.
It don't go feel work.
You don't go feel work.
Or money. He leave all those children for your own mother. Now your mama go take care of those children with the people we want help the mama. With we where we see them look. Any support we want to support.
Yeah.
That pikin. And another thing where people don't know, you see that guy. Then they don't let that guy near that pikin. Physically, spiritually, in any way. Because of this guy, this pikin mama. Cry, we take back. Pikin wey be say you don eat before the mama born. What do you want to find the pikin for? What do you want to use?
I just tire. And the one still come, my sister. Me, I quit talk this one. He wants still come. He still go follow through the enemy of the children and the mama. That one want it possible.
Is the one made the guy because this is the if you collect the pikin. Is the one made the guy come collect. I think he'll get access to those children. Nah, plan.
And it's not going to be possible, darling.
Impossible. It's what people don't know. You see this Italy when I stayed for how many years? You know, some people they stay country for how many years? They don't know the law.
Yes.
So this Italy, even though you with man, they the same house. Even though the children they bear the man name, you know the full custody of the man. If the man marry the woman legally, even though say they don't take again, if the man want fight that case, say he want carry children, the man will fight that case, he will collect children from the woman.
Yeah.
You know the only secret because he married the woman legally.
Right.
It be like when they will say person pay person bride price like pikin.
Yes.
You see baby papa and baby mama, if they separate, if the woman stand the ground say, you don't want to give those children to his papa not get right. Because there was no marriage certificate, there was nothing done when two of them did. There were baby papa, baby mama. Not to talk of you when they say,
Mona still power tap, power tappy.
God may never see you for eye one day, koro. And anyway, physical, spiritually. You think you can just come from nowhere? Carry which children? Italian children? I want to carry. Where you they carry and they go?
It's not possible.
Where you they carry and they go? Or you want to stay with them? What do you know about those children? How you want to take care of them? For the first place, you don't even know how to take care of Europe children. Why about the Europe children? I think you say Europe children and children where you go, you can't carry. You carry one girl where you go the mature and you will go the dream follow back.
It's not going to be possible. Thank you, mommy. Peace Afro shop.
Then you go one place, go hide yourself. Even they say Mama Sharon, Mama not there. Those children don't go reach your amen. Don't talk of you, mama, the grandmother. They Italy won't collect her for you. Thank God, say grandmother never reached 70, 80 years. Not talk of say she cannot stay with the little one. You see that Mama Sharon age made for Italy. Now their children they live, now their picking they leave their children for sale. They will go shopping, they will go holiday.
Good morning.
Because she never old. She get age when mama they reach when they will say no
tell your sister
more children again. Mama Sharon is still young and beautiful. She never reached that age. So before she will even reach that age, all those children don't grow. They don't know their left from their right.
Yes.
They don't grow. So now so friend be
because now they give you well.
Now so friend be
people. This one is
I feel now. What did this woman do you? See where Aproko was talking yesterday. Aproko is the real friend with Sharon OKPAMEN, but Sharon, he don't know, he run away from them. He can't say now this one don't carry Sharon all you know. They know in and out of Sharon. That is why I'm calling me Sharon. Don't let your friend know you're in and out. The jealousy must be there.
Yes, now if they do well, better passer, you find passer, you go they jealous you.
Now you be born, now you be even a zombie. Now you be now you go come out like this, you go be like when I was little sooner here, you come to say that person before waka.
Share this video, guys, please.
My sister, may your soul rest in peace. So if you come like another day,
yes, now you not go trust anybody again.
Oh, me, I don't tell you how. Because the way this girl, I say the day with that record fair come out, that's a soul. This is the one time me say, no, no, about this record will come out. The day when I hear that record, that open mouth and say, this one I'm waiting, this our sister passed through before she come for this life. And easy was aware. Then you go, they put everything for your mama head. Waiting that woman to do you. You know waiting that woman they pass through.
Eduche,
And another
Osho,
people wey dey talk say
Ije,
ije malaja, ije malaja. Ah, ije malaja. If your mama still enter one platform and una still come and say,
That does still come talk.
a platform say una say, when we come see video wey she take do bridal baby shower, the mother was there loving her, kissing her. Wow, I know say God must surely fight for Mama Sharon and those children. Because this one, some of una wey be Benin, una don't too much.
They fly in the afternoon, fly in the afternoon. As Avanya ya fly. Nobody know tomorrow.
May God give us long life. Anything where you do person for this life, make you know say your own
they wait for you.
They wait for you. Not to say maybe you get one thing where you want to go cure around. That cry where that woman they cry inside house. As soon as they there against that woman, they no what fuck back. He go they ask you now what being involved. So now what I just to get for now, my sister.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. God will bless you for speaking the truth. Where's the Genobi? Where's the? Where's the? No. Easy. Okay. Easy like begbe. Easy no mind negbe. Easy as at the end of the day. Easy come yesterday. You don't see anything talk. You go they play old audio of Ebony. Ebony. As no deva moka. Can you imagine? My people are muna power tap or muna share this video. I get a lot to talk about. Now, I will not follow this matter for the beginning. I don't understand. If you follow this matter for beginning, you go no say easy as they supposed to enter house, go sleep. Because anything we person to do for this life, okay, bungbe, erima, if you to do something, it not good again. You dey feel me? You dey feel me? All the plan where she dey plan, everything they go back to her. Everything they backfire. She not call Bros Newton. Thank you so much. You understand? Everything where she they plan. If you they do something, Bros Newton, thank you, Baba. You they do something, they do and they do. People they tell you say not good, it's not good. They look for different way, different style to explain that. We say no. Either you are with the family or you are against them. If you are against them, leave them alone. Anything concerning them, remove hand. Do your find your life. She no want leave them. She they drag them. She they use every opportunity to take drag this family.
Because she want those children. She want to take in charge of those children alone.
Where their grandmama they alive. When not be sure why not be Sharon wa take care now. So it can't be possible. That is just the truth. Ain't it possible? You are not forcing the whole world to see what you are saying. Good morning, Moruji. Good morning, Lady Esther. Good morning. Please wanna share this video. You are just trying to force. Remember, I explain. We all know the truth. Say you be bad friend to late Sharon. You was never a best friend. You was a friend in disguise. May we not love a friend in disguise. If you love a friend in disguise, go send you your early grave. You understand? Now, which day this Sharon matter go end? As easy like begbe. Easy unda. Mona as easy when this matter won't end. Because they bring baby papa now, make her collect the children. Baby papa plan fail. Then he can record Golden where they take care of the children, they post her. And if una record Golden, wala me. If una can record Golden, thank God say God is soon and so now they record and then she wants to record una. make she for still get her own proof and evidence. They una come dey drag her, make she not video now. Why una start the video? No be una video we first see for social media. When na the video golden. No be una video we first see for social media. When na the video golden. Eh? Egbe wa go me. Na say get it down jiko levi no.
Okay, now that one go make people come hate
golden. Not be adults.
Adults, you know.
They don't just get any defense. I just tire. I just tire. I just tire. Easy unda. Everybody na adult. He like he drink, you know, he not drink, he not concern you. Leave those family alone. My lady, you mute her beg or I'll drop you.
For this abroad, when we did so. If you be person where they take care, you guy enough work. You understand?
Yeah.
So you go alarm. For family, you take her to your own. Then you don't abuse her.
Yes.
If na smoke, you want smoke, or you go alarm. For family, you don't abuse her. Now Europe with this, so anything where you want to take, now they sell her for markets. Don't abuse it. Take it to your own satisfaction.
Yes.
And then your lane. Not use until oppress anybody. Okay, if you know, and so what?
I just tire. Una the video na make she not video na. Eh? She don't say anything come talk yesterday. Oma mi meta. Ekine mana geleti e bonne izi azela wa. Enter house.
Because agbove yin gba ene. Agbove yin gba ene.
Can you imagine?
Any atwa every man. Or we really atwa go feel. Every man. On every man.
Mona power tap, my people. Mona power tap.
Where? If though another person they draw Mama Sharon, not be your duty to go fight that person. Tell and say, I better leave my friend Mama, make she stay alive, take care of those children where my friend live for her.
I just
tire. Not be your duty.
I just tire.
Not be your duty. Now you they carry the woman up and down. You don't gang up people, make they come fight the woman. So can't realize they can't apologize. Now only you can't decide that mess.
If they try to deceive the rest of us, no we believe her. Say na truth they talk. Now only wish na go believe you. If you are a mother, you can never believe such an evil human being.
Believe who?
That is what she's trying to say. Eh?
God forbid.
Hey God.
Believe a soup.
So area was though the reason go one side. Wait till the reason not correct, but because of that one, the fans they want to take by you. This life ain't no balance. So now so wish people take the reason. They will see good thing, they not go reason now. Though the reason another thing will not make sense. You understand? Though their brain, they reason upside down. What did they go do? What did they go think? What did they go talk about? They don't go talk about her. They start to drag Sharon again. Now your best friend, now you record golden put for social media. You say me will say and say now Daniel make it not take care of Sharon children again. Or wait till you can't explain. Make it not support a grandmother. My sister, wait till you so now you go read. Thank God say good Nigeria people don't they know you now. That was me. That was why I carry this matter. I hate oppression. I hate bad people. I hate, you will see this thing say now why you they argue say now red. You will know the truth. You they argue. I hate it. It like me be say now one person they watch me. I'll use and sing. So before people go the reason like me, make them know the truth, the right thing to do before me go rest. You understand? You know, see something I read, you can't the first make I believe you say that thing are white. I cannot take it. Most people, anywhere they carry they go, neither they go. You can't carry me to rubbish place. Like I said, no give we no FIFA for document for almost 10 years in Germany. That one I can't sit on that they talk to none of they listen. Now the rope wey tie no get na tie because two of una na mumu na no get sense. Me wey enter this country after how many years? I don't celebrate my 10 years passport. When I say get 10 years, I don't say 20 something years for abroad. I did how many years for abroad when I built my first house. You understand? That I see small. I pursue the better thing wey carry me enter Europe. Number one document before you come the acquire property. Because you acquire property, document you not get. Now be say your leg never strong for ground. Your leg never strong. They fit deport you anytime, any day. So person wey not fit think wey make come he brain down. Where you tell no get sense. If you get documents or before you never get, you will stay out of crime. You will stay out of problem. You will stay out of fights. Even if you don't still get documents, all these things for you to be a greater person, for you to be a better person, you stay out of trouble. But you where you be a duro, where not get anything, they want fight to get passports. Who does spend years here? Where never fight or break person head. You understand me? You want to tell me say, me I don't know what me I did do. Not be say I not sabi fight too. Not be say I not sabi make problem. But I decide to leave all those things because now hustling grant now I come. Now money I can't fight for Europe. Now money I can't fight for Europe. Not be fight, I can't fight. That is why I dey avoid those things. That is why my record is clean. I can work in anywhere for this Deutschland. Because they go ask of your police report. They go ask of so many things. You get some job that can just take you like that. Who they talk say now lie? Okay, maybe they fight for you, and I be the thing. I don't understand why you say now lie, because now mute, I'll mute you. You understand? Make I your mute this is just come up for you. No, I don't want block now mute so they know they comment again. You understand? You dey feel me so? This Deutschland, if you come here, because they will give you the opportunity to grow. They go let you explore. They go help your life. They not give with 20-something years. How many years now for this country? Documents, you go they fight blind fight. The strength and energy we go tell look for documents. In anything they carry in winner. And Sharon was your friend. Sharon was your friend. Where she was our life. Sharon was your friend. If now we are there for they do something, and okay, will you not reach to tell easy say leave this matter I beg. It don't do more right because of Sharon, don't do I beg. You go you start tell you I be to tell her Jabanya we my son. Don't say we don't start, I beg more you start rest. But if we see start this matter again now, don't see they share Sharon picture. Don't see they draggy mama, or we go see the draggy mama. Nobody they drag Sharon mother. Nobody they drag Sharon children. Now easy and enogi now they drag them because of their selfish interest. Because of their selfish interest. Easy does. You have been trying to make proof point. We say we don't see her. Leave the family alone. Go and look for your family. Mind your business. Leave them alone. Now, grandmother and I felt they take care of children before. You can't change it. Mind your business. They don't want to mind their business. They want you to convince the whole world, say, Mama Sharon not good. You not go fit take care of the children. That one I be Mama will carry a pikin come from Nigeria, which is the Sharon. He give her a document. Una year when Ebony they talk on yesterday, that lady was speaking the truth. Because there are some women wey dey this abroad, where their children dey Nigeria, they don't fit carry their children come. They don't fit carry their children come. But Mama Sharon bring Sharon come abroad. They give her all be feasted. The paper will not go fit renew again for a life. Do you know what it takes? If now only Sharon come this abroad by herself, come pay madam, come look for document. Do you know what? Any mother that sacrifice that kind of sacrifice for his child, then you can't they talk what mama do. Hey, mama not do anything. Mama not go fit take care of those children. You go explain, you go talk, tire, no evidence. The evidence so you dey find where we want give you now to stay away from that family. And if the baby papa gets sense, make it run from you, because if he dey with you, he can never see those children. He can never. If he not respect Sharon, make he go do the right thing. Now from Facebook or anywhere for side the children, now they go for the see the children. Since you don't get respect for your parents, you don't want to do the right thing. Wait till they not do to una family, now one can go they try for another person family. He not go work. Mona power time, Mona share this video. He not go work. Yes, my brother. If you not see you tell you, let me they tell you now. Easy we make you not to see your children. Easy we spoil things for you.
Bluetooth mode.
Easy go spoil things for you.
Bluetooth connected.
I'm telling you. Listen to me. Mona listen to this audio. Make I play once again. Mona listen.
Since I born, not tomorrow we'll complete 1 week when I take off.
Power tap.
On Wednesday, early morning, on Tuesday night, I enter labor. Around 6 in the morning, when I take off, I take off them. My sister says, "Oh, reach today. That boy not carry phone again." So I person will call me 1 week to before I go. They tell me say, he wants me he picking life. Man, he don't want to follow me fight again. This that. Nothing I say. What are the one they said? He come quiet. Whether not they join, will make me pass through operation. I don't know whether I don't know if he carry come follow me. When he say my enemy, my big enemy, but God change them for them. God change them for them. For him, we party different. Because when you go for a party to happen, they will carry you out of operation room. My sister, you see, you say I born. You came when you follow do my list. We said they lay for 9 months. He come, your people call you. My mind, when you say call, I say come keep quiet. No, you even see, you don't get atom of. God, you don't even get. The one when I offer born for you, me and you got that plan to born. You don't even get a gege for the pikin. You don't get feeling for her. Because of you, they say belle. You leave that pikin with me for months. You not come here as Michelle. Come they call me 1 week. You don't have to say straight when I get. I always affect you first. I never get time. Because you hear say I born, no matter what. Don't me even if you don't want to call me, you write come. I hear say you don't born finally. How is the baby and how you did open a different. If I only that one safe, it's why I don't see message. I don't see call. Pikin when I knew born. No person not fit do my pikin. Like, it's not possible. Then one talk say they don't say that pikin never call me. Okay, now they carry their call all the time. Now it's also me that they cheat. Now not fit talk to my pikin. Pikin when I knew born, when you don't even know what you want to become. Man, go they follow my pikin, they do anything, they follow me. It's not possible now. What's okay? I want to happen, my sister. Maybe you still listen now.
Who know who they talk, Abe, right? If you know who they talk, Mona power tap. If you know who they talk, Mona write the name, I beg. Mona power tap. If you know who they talk, write the name. Write the name. So I don't know who they talk. So I don't know. Now me say I don't know who they talk. Ha. So una say una don't know who they talk. Now Sharon I they talk. Okay, easy, come here. Easy as then. Your best friend they complain like this. You don't see anything wrong. If you was not an enemy to Sharon, are you not supposed to be the one to fight that boy? You want constantly carry the boy come accomplish una evil when fair do when Sharon dey alive. Good morning, my sister. Cause you know, Mona power tap. Una not the power tap. Now not they share the video. I know good. I know like I'm on the WhatsApp. Speak pidgin English, I bet. Pidgin English.
Easy know everything as this boy take match Sharon before that get back. Easy know from the beginning to the end. Sharon was taking saying a better person na Easy be. He confided on her. He tell her everything. You know what Easy they do? Since now Sharon not there alive again. Easy want do revenge for his mama. He say his mama Sharon get issue. Now make Easy they cover everything. All those evil made this boy do about Sharon. Now make him Easy no want make come out. He just the fan where I want to enter that woman.
Good morning.
Out of jealousness. Now she they do so with his mama. Now jealousness. Now they jealous mama Sharon and the children.
Good morning, everybody. I just have a quick message for Easy, because I hear her saying that she's fighting for her friend and she will fight to the end. That means Easy, if no sununa where you won't hear Esha, because this is not your family. This is somebody that you call a friend and a sister. Your mother and her mother was having issue in the company where they were working together, and back then you were in Nigeria. You didn't even know what's going on. You came, then you were saying you were already hearing it, and your mother tell you everything that happened between both of them. Tell me the reason why you decided to be Sharon's friend if you were not there for a mission. You just wanted to destroy this girl without this girl not knowing. You are a bad friend. You are an evil friend. You just, that thing that your mother told you, that is the thing you are still working on. You just want to destroy this family because you were never a friend. You were an unfriendly friend. This woman lost her daughter. The least you can do is leave her alone. Leave her alone. And focus on your health issue. You are the one that have a health issue. You are the one that is sick. Focus on yourself. Get married. Have your own family. Have your own kids. And leave this woman alone. Since you just said right now, like maybe 2 minutes ago, that I want to tell you right now that amen to that. Because what you are doing right now is very, very wrong. Okay? The battle that you are fighting right now is wrong. God in heaven is not sleeping. He's looking at you. You can't tell me that you are fighting for Easy while you hate her mother so much. And you also talk about that was the stress that by Sharon. Really? What about this audio that came out? Sharon was in tears. Sharon was crying, complaining. A woman that was pregnant for 9 months. The father that is responsible for that baby did not communicate with that woman. Never check on her. Never ask her how she's feeling. To the point I heard there was a time Sharon was in Nigeria. I don't know what Easy had told that guy that would make that guy would be sleeping in the car, avoiding Sharon with her pregnancy, with her pregnant. And when Sharon died, this guy was nowhere to be found. This guy was nowhere to be found. All of a sudden, the guy had the nerves to come from China to come and claim this beautiful, 2 beautiful kids. How dare you? Very disrespectful. What makes you think that you can claim these children? You can never claim these kids. You can never claim them. I just pray that Sharon mom know what she's doing. I pray that she know what she's doing. And I pray that she have a lawyer. This guy needs to be deported back to wherever he's coming from. You are a wicked person. You are a wicked person. Don't you have a family? Don't you have a mother? How come your mother didn't call Sharon mother? How come they didn't communicate together? Why will you come and collect these 2 beautiful kids that you rejected? You rejected them. Sharon is crying, complaining. Since she died, she didn't hear from you. All of a sudden, you love the children so much. You came to Europe and claimed them. You are not only you are a bad father, you are an evil person. You don't deserve that kids. You cannot even. How are you going to raise them? Are you going to take them to China, or are you going to give them to the girl that you engage, that made Sharon cry, depressed, till the day she died? because of you. And Izzy is over there talking about they were Izzy and Sharon mom and Sharon was arguing because of a tower that they're using to clean body. That is the reason why that Sharon get the
power tap, guys. Power tap. Yes.
Are you for real? Sharon, Izzy, let me tell you, this thing that you are doing, this thing that you are doing, God in heaven is watching you. God is since we took here fight to the end. We are here, we are watching. I'll see how you're going to take the glory. I'll see how you're going to win this case. I want to see how you're going to claim those children that is not related to you at all. This audio alone, Sharon mom needs to take it to her lawyer and find somebody that will translate everything that Sharon was saying. This guy is responsible for Sharon Pai. When it comes to the hospital, that I heard that Sharon mom sued the hospital. Yeah, she have the right to sue the hospital. When Sharon fell down, they didn't take quick action to check her when she fell down. That is different. Just so you know. And I hope that Sharon mom really know what she's doing. And what is that boy name?
That useless boy, I'm money,
mother.
That one are human being.
You are a disappointment to your mother. Your mother brought you to Europe. You should be able to fight for yourself. You should be able to stand for your mother. You should be able, you and Sharon, supposed to fight for each other. It's not everybody that is in Europe or that is in another country that their parents brought. It's not everybody. Those that came by themselves, they struggle for themselves. They are still taking care of their parents. We the real beneath take care of our parents. There is no home that doesn't have misunderstanding with their parents. My mother can correct me when I'm wrong. All I need to do is listen. When I'm not listening to my mom and decided to be a child that don't want to listen, and that is what happened to Sharon. I wish she never chose Izzy as a friend. She was evil. She's an evil friend. Jesus, this is so crazy.
Can you still be alive?
Okay. She would have still been alive. She would have still been alive. Easy if you were a good friend. You were supposed to settle both of them. If what you are saying is true. There is no parents that don't have ups and downs with their kids. If their kids is not listening to what their mother or their father is saying, do you think a Sharon mom will sit down and watch her daughter put her hand in fire? She wants the best for her daughter.
Yes.
That is the reason why she was talking to her, to follow the right direction. Because Sharon loved friends so much, she followed different people, and she ended up with an evil friend that take her life.
Evil.
Easy. We are coming there where my head where a guy nigga treated her bad, and I believe that Izzy was the one talking to that guy, lying to that guy, same thing. I heard that you said that Sharon was taking that guy's name to Ojiju place.
Yes, God bless you.
Can you imagine? How can you say a thing like that?
Friend.
Your late friend, you couldn't shut up your mouth with your ugly self.
Very ugly thing.
When ebony hai, ana muwe ari amuka, umanade, they should push you.
All day.
You should be. When you fair motivation or say, you see, you are worse than evil person. Jesus Christ, you are worse than evil person. You are worse than the witch, the real witch.
From the pit of hell.
What will you tell me that woman did to you? She lost her daughter.
Yeah.
Do you think she's happy? She lost something precious to her. And you are still outside talking, saying nonsense about your friend. You know your boyfriend, they are your dog boy. Can you listen to yourself? You know can you listen to yourself? And you are still coming out. And you are still coming out saying that you are fighting for your friend. Tell me, which fight are you fighting? To take the children from her mother? From her mother? Is that the fighting that you are fighting? To take those two kids from her mother? A plan of his is that boy should take the children and give it to her. Can you imagine that? Take the children and give it to her.
In a dream. That will be in our dreams. In our dreams. Or it will not.
I'm telling you.
Family finish. Jesus.
She finish. I just pray that Sharon mom know what she's doing. The way boy again. The way boy. You will come all the way from China or you from with visa. You don't live there. You don't work there. You don't pay tax. You don't do anything.
You don't have
a house. The first time you came, this boy, Sha, what makes you think that the way you came, you will just come and collect the children without not making peace?
He think it's Africa. He don't know the law of Italy. He think it's Nigeria. He think it's Nigeria.
Can you
when
imagine?
you wake up, you go to a woman that works for you and take the children. You are mad. You know,
you are mad.
What's it
It's
called?
so annoying. It's so upsetting.
Easy Ogbede. I don't know.
No, easy on Moruji.
I don't know what kind of a friendship you was to Sharon. You are a really friend. Are you sure that boy is not your brother? Are you sure that guy, Sharon,
boy, are you sure it's not your brother?
It's not. No. It's not her brother. I think he have high. He have high on that guy.
Make it carry now. Then she go and go with the guy. He not concern us, so may go with the guy. We don't even need that guy around the children.
Why did Easy seize Sharon phone? Why did you seize Sharon phone?
I bet one person they talk more than let her round up, because if everybody they talk together, we not fit.
Why do Easy seize Sharon phone? Why didn't you give Easy property to her mother? What are you doing with Sharon property? Easy, what are you doing with Sharon property? Why do you hold on to her phone? Why are you communicating with a white man? And this white old man, I heard that is a godfather to Sharon.
Yes.
So why are you saying that you're near your double?
He want make it collect a mail for they collect money for you. No soon.
We're not doing our time. Wait, if you're near your double. If you're near a boyfriend, then where you not don't feel if you're near your what are you fighting? I really want to know. Is it to take the children? Take the children from the grandmother that you hated so much. This is scary.
Easy, you are a winch.
This is scary.
You are a winch. I'm scared of you, Easy. I'm scared of you. Looking at you, I'm very scared. You are not a friend. You are an enemy from the one. You pretend. Who knows what goes wrong? Who knows what lead that innocent fine woman to her early grave? Who knows?
I believe. Thanks, sis. I believe she has been jealous of Sharon.
Please, guys, power tap and give the host gift.
The fight that happened between Sharon mother and Easy mother. She's using that against Sharon mother and Sharon. Sharon didn't know.
Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you.
Even if Sharon as his and his mother have a fight, Easy is not their family member.
Exactly.
She don't have any right. Easy, let me tell you something now. You have never experienced death. One day you will experience death. People will speak on your behalf. Then you will know. Okay? Then you will know how it's paid when you are not alive. People saying trash about you. You cannot come out and explain your own side. It will be your portion.
Amen.
Amen. It's friend. If we are friends,
where is woman supporting woman? Where is woman supporting woman? Where is it? Easy. Where are you, baby father? Listen good. This is Europe. This is not Africa. Where you will wake up and go and pick your keys. Okay? You have to have job. You have to have house. You have to have wife. You have a long way to go. You going like this, you are not going to have your keys.
Without
you have to go to community Babino. You have to go to assistant socially. You have to go to tribunal de minore. A capito and DNA have to come. Don't be a motherfucker asshole. You think it's Africa? Here you will go. You are mad.
Just like that.
You have lost it. This is not how to go about it. Instead of you to call the family, beg them, send for peace. When she was in coma, why you didn't come to Europe to come and see her?
Oh,
where were you?
Good question.
Busy.
Good question.
Stay down. Stay here.
All those things are jealousy.
Stay here. Wani tiaboni yizi mwebo. Wani tiaboni iye Sharon mwebo be Sharon temi no ma when you ware ya you leje.
So.
That will be you people portion. Again now for how long now?
Or say that they not really let her rest in peace.
You don't let this girl rest. That's what you they quote. That's what you they quote. That's what you they quote. What are you quoting? Now you go school pass. Upon the school where you go, where are you? Now, iye-eki jouer. You share apartment at your age, motherfucker.
It's common, you don't have your own house. And I heard it's not even her mother. I heard that woman is not even her mother.
Then you coming out. Who are you better than when your mama put?
Let's say you're a useless girl.
You're not better than anybody. When the mama thank you, where's the you motherfucker bitch?
Now on social media.
What's the woman don't tell me social media a WhatsApp group when we are winning here for your papa in school? Why you didn't came out? Maybe why you done it go you arrested over in Nigeria? Why you didn't came out and say it? When they said you wanted to go and beat a baby, a child in school, you sent people after a baby. Why you didn't came out and say it? What did you want from Sharon?
Oh no, whoop with Sharon, make it bad, make go meet Sharon for that. Now that one, let they go now.
I don't know why. I don't understand why God did they do something. Why God not collect his give on Sharon? Why God? Almost a salon man na reason or Sharon ima.
They were
already. This is wickedness. I know you can go and slap my mom, post it on TikTok. I don't care. Okay? Yeah, you wait for me. We both live in Italy. We know the law of Italy. I know you are capable. You parla italiano bene. Come tu fratello. È chiaro. Quindi
yeah, she will get sued. Let her try nonsense. She will go to court.
Tu quando la fare culo, tu ti permetti, metti mio mamma foto su TikTok. Mamma mia, ti manderà a fare il culo. Pezzo di merda, figlio di puttana. After your mom don't do a finish, now you dey chop, mama. Thank you for your back.
No minor. Maya gwale life for her. Another person matter you carry and put for head.
They stand for person. No let Sharon's secret come out for a second.
This is pure.
You don't let her come out.
Pure jealousy. Oh God.
For me, Sharon, yeah, I'm scared to make friends. I'm fucking scared. Making friends in Europe is the most dangerous something in this life. Because as Zombu, they are all pretender. 50% are pretender.
Very, very.
Why are we baby father? They can look at China do me well. Are you crazy? Do you think this is Africa? Have your mom. But when you're the stuff in the package with easy now, you give her belly, you boss it easy. Don't not say yes, you are the
yeah, we your dash the boy give easy, make easy carry no one. Forget Mama Sharon and the children. Your carry her there. We give her to you. Carry the baby father, make you take born your, maybe go make you born. Now carry.
Sharon did not present that boy as their father. Go to her, okay?
Capito?
Where did they in Italiano? Lei non capisco e non ne capisci quello uomo sono padri di figlio di Sharon. È chiaro prendere. Then you carry me they fuck you. You don't get off.
A good lawyer. All this will be with good lawyer, Mama. I think so.
See, even if say you give that boy a lawyer, first when lawyer will talk.
No,
he write the boy name. He write the boy name. That one a pasha. Lawyer go ask you now. You get house, you not get. You get work, you not get. You don't say get different. Say he dey bear his father name.
No,
I mean those kids don't bear his father's name.
They give her fake hope. Say go fit collect the children.
My brother, where you for follow Mama Sharon. Make peace. You for make peace. You get access to your children. No be easy reject. Easy when no sabi speak English, where he brother they interpret for. When no sabi speak Italian, where brother they interpret for. You know, they go chop you where nyale well at the
I beg, we had noise. They may mute, so mute. I beg.
The way you supposed to protect your own best friend, Pikin. You say you guys be a best friend. Best friend. His grandmother can decide who will come there and visit his children. Yeah. If she says she doesn't want you, then fuck off and shut your fucking mouth. What kind of best friend is that? She have 9 episodes. She did video upon video upon video with no tears in her eyes. She have no feelings. No feeling, no tears, no nothing. You not even see tears, no tears. And she can even talk. Somebody will call your own. Somebody will call your sister.
Yeah, she explained everything.
Talk now. She talk everything. You will be shaking. I want a radio. I want a radio. I want a radio. It's wrong. You just say as if there you go carry a house. Who? When they dead, Mama put. Oh, Jakia. When you dey fuck? When I Babu Bujere, no way your dog. Babu Bujere. When I rent one room, I rent one room. When you are forced to live here in Europe, na Ihimarowa. My mama depend in ya. Emoti agbama asigowa. My way, Mama, thank you. Okay, go and live that kind of life. Then you come out and talk to people. Not when you still share the same bed with your mom. You motherfucker. Can you imagine? People hate you, eh? You don't know. People hate you. A lot of people. A lot of people hate you. Okay, we are from Benin. We are from Edo State. We know what we never ever yet saw an issue for easy matter. Now yesterday, we are from Edo State. If you are from Edo State, you can relate. She's still saying it. She just say it like 5 minutes ago on in a. If you are don't platform right now, I will wait somewhere. It's somewhere. Break you down. That from Edo State. We have feelings of movement. Yesterday, are you really a Sharon? Sharon be
okay, me no igwa we no so ni because omo ni me mu ke wepo ade ke Nigeria ade wepo no to go a better life. You now end up going to one stupid useless boy. No matter you respect your egbe or your fear. Do you think I'll be happy? Are you not a mother? You don't have a child? You want me to be happy for that kind of situation?
Everybody will not be happy. Nobody will be happy.
Will you be happy?
Nobody will be happy.
And the boy is also not responsible, picking my daughter call, making her to cry on top of pregnancy, giving her pain. You want me to be happy? Will you be happy?
My sister. If I were touching on your if I were touching on your best season, look at the way you are your mom. And your baby, your baby is not her mother. It's not her biological mother. It's not her mother. See, when they talk, come at that and say you get health issue. You know, see the way people they join you. But why now you bringing the dead out always? Why easy? Social media.
She's trying to brainwash people, confuse people. You cannot call only a fool or where you can confuse. What are you saying? What narrative are you putting out there?
It takes years for his mom to build up again. That woman will be done.
Especially when they see the children every day, you they see them.
And she can't be Benin mother. She can't be Benin mother. Don't come up for her body. She can't be Benin mother. Benin, Edo State woman.
Mona, your mute. Make I quick play this audio. Mona mute. Because yesterday I was so happy that our superstar came outside, which is Ebony Obasuyi, to say a lot of good things about Mama Sharon. Everything. This is what all the celebrity, those celebrity or whatever, who was before friend with late Sharon, to come and speak the truth and drive this nonsense easy on down. Make chief for enter house. Because this is what you are supposed to do. Una go know the truth now, quiet now, they look, now they feel say na saga. Most easy use late Sharon through our last year they do saga. This year again, don't still continue again. This year na baby father go carry coin again. Una not go come and not be una right. Make una tell them, make they stop this nonsense where they do. You understand?
They handle their page now. They don't
They fear. Ekwe mugwa so. Ekwe mugwa.
No, Mama, no, they're not a fear. They all have secrets.
Exactly.
Mama, they all
You know, say something don't too
When
much
you
like
have
this.
friends-
It's not good, my
when you
sister.
have friends, Mama, when friends cannot cut out the other one, like what you are doing is not good. You going
Or
wrong.
they will
You
just
have
call,
friends secrets.
or they will just call easy inside, say, hey, Gwan. Hey,
Mama,
Gwan.
they get
Hey,
secrets.
well, Lawa.
If they have a secret, always wa gume gwa, if they talk
If
well.
they talk well.
That's it.
Lawa is the only say.
And
Hey,
you see
Gwan, yo.
those girls,
They
all
can
those
just
really
stop her
actors,
somewhere, say, stop, mind your
devils.
business. They can just stop her.
The other day, they know they give it the area of it away. And you just leave me with knock back. Or my use a condom. Hello? Is that what you people are talking about?
Can you imagine? Hi, God.
Fuck motherfuckers.
They don't say your book,
They don't use Benin drama check to have fucky. Years back, when you are looking at a Benin movie, at least you go bring your, like, yeah. Nowadays, if you don't watch Benin movie, yeah, kissy. See their life.
watch movie again.
Gosh, again. Benin movie don't make sense again.
Benin
Nobody
movie
dey
don't
watch
make
am.
sense again. Don't go they shake nyash. Fucking asshole.
Mona power tapo. So Mona say after Isidore frustrate, everybody is speaking out the truth, everything. He not see something to talk again. He can't go bring all those saga. Easy. Your career don't die. You know get work for abroad. Your life don't miserable. The movie where she don't have, when I don't see, never reach 2 or 1. Now only one it be like say I don't see. Waiting just boost her na saga where do.
They call her Festin. They not be mates now.
Yes na. Yes na.
They are not mates.
Now saga na they tell no easy. Easy call the saga lady or song for social media. The saga Ebony. Now easy if you drag the Sharon Joy body, drag the rest of the Joy body. You know why I drag the Joy body? Because say she they control their pages.
Exactly.
Then they can drag the Joy body that time.
Yes.
Then drag Festina Peters. Then drag Sharon, Le Sharon. Then drag this girl. Because she they control their page that time. Mona Pawata, Mona share this video. Mona Pawata, Mona share this video. I bet more. Yes.
Nowadays, my Benin people became. Where would I put you guys?
Trying to put narrative where not make sense.
Never happened before. The thing they pay us, never happened before, really.
It never happened like this.
It never happened like this before.
It never happened. Thank you, we the Benin are very angry on this issue. When he Sharon sees the when he has CZ on my better because the way the thing is going is not funny. It's not funny anymore. It's scary every day. Imagine like social media, if you go there, if you calabare, if you not parema, who do ataminya, if you big gaga, if you wanna, if you What kind of win a tribalism like
Mama Esther, a party, when a party boy now, this useless call baby father now, a party your contact. And then a party away video ni atitina time for where the boy where 18 years Sharon or what's your Sharon, best friend de Sharon. Or calling come here with me Sharon or 10 Sharon with them.
Mona power tap, but they thought say bring me or bring me on, not the power tap. Mona share.
Best friend already, boy, Tammy.
Can you imagine?
Or like video. Or when the boy I'm here, where Sharon or see Sharon calling tell Sharon, my Sharon, the Sharon iye-eki. No year the guy Sharon. Does your enough no a best
Easy, the way you they do, you get lost here. People when they crazy, not they enjoy me like I want you when they just come back to your wow. You they crazy. I should be beginning. I saw that people they want to see. People they want to be do TikTok. I want you when they trace the yes for those don't a restaurant. People want you when I yari brushy. Why do you push slap for your hair?
Which Tori this can't for the apple. They can't beat you when you get for all the
you cannot say not be bad you there. Therefore don't beat you. Hey boy, they you cut it up on they cry.
No mind now, very useless girl.
My sister, good afternoon. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's say your
Esther.
Good morning.
I the power tap. If you see, I always the power tap, but this is my first time.
Okay.
I don't know verse. Wait, now one just talk. I think I did your live video one day. They talk say, "Gonna Germany day Germany jo we dey working. Una we ogwalewa negbema kono we are not bleaching ni.
No give we.
No get we no we health ajaje no gbe wa gbon. No kia gbon ni lati no kia
They be you to document mama na we petition. And then worry she be now na be messenger. You drop a no ban no ni my ye
do something. Yeah, what we are going to when we work with any kakapo. If not so no that my sister. You got winner concerning again Bonnie or Basu first now Peter and I read live again. He married a now. I was on live with a guy can walk away. I Jesse with the mama Susie now one. That woman really talk fine. And then getting a video wow. I believe you got made the video wow of it last year now.
Yes.
Mama Susie all finish everything we want to know there.
Yes.
Love so Lady Esther. Yeah, well, Mama Guansha, they see for party. Even one of my best friends, the same meeting waje. Yeah, I they see you all the time. So yeah, checking on our way, yeah, sending on our way, anything no. Then I send the petition.
Yes.
My friend was receiving with any. Now we are doki afefe. Even a matter Sharon ayasu. No, what they do sunu na. Yeah, we are. Benin people, what did they worry now? Okay. Love what did they happen? But they include me because we are the working. Yes. You not be like this. So why now people be like this? I'm assuring you, my sister, 100%. If you have woman or this family member, yeah, send a Benny. When you give it to me, with our signature.
Yes.
Tell me the essence waje.
Okay.
No get win or ya me bavane.
Yes.
First time in a marriage of Panama Joe Duisburg.
Yes.
Was it last year? Be last year marriage.
Yes.
Then I don't me a same band of. Then the other one in Amue, you and your husband will be dead that day. And then the Jeton Silver launching an again.
Yes, yes, I remember.
Yeah, we're making a way. No, no, one man not take one.
Yes.
And not saying that do one because now anyone no.
Yes.
Because she may or lost some money before she died. My mother died last 2 years at the age of 82. Even tell the platform lady neighbor.
Yes.
If you have a car, 80.
Yes.
Then no one see me direct. Honor will spare weapon out. 2002 Tenerife. Anybody not gonna respect that and all my story in your man, bro. And the best friend of my brother, anybody got traumatized. Me no share, be my traumatized the video. After 2 years, when I saw that boy, on a doje, Devin on ya, you know what, bro, you know the 10 year, but that was solo. Or what when women or ya, Jimmy or ya, will need everybody. And you say, Yao, Z, many eyes can not get Z to God who made me. In my ever first solar, ya money rule one and I take out one jacket do a day. And not do you make one. A money rule one or tear, bonnie ZVJ, and anybody not even one bovo. No, ya traumatized again. That me,
Easy, Sharon. Sharon who anybody no. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because it was not only the baby father of that girl, of that woman, but even only a Google person like Z. No God fake open my sisters in baby have a family. God, you know, lads, and he blow. Ah, Jesus Christ. Do they manifest in a Peter Tano, the old young fenota, where iye-eki. But no, we are not a German, but my okay, no, can we?
Aduro no soon guni adipoti.
You never came out of
me,
that
Mama, no verse. Me, I don't use egg. Touch person for protosocoso.
I just said
police not they worry. They know they ask. Doctor know they ask. I don't do it for person.
Make you go to
Mama I do it for her. Doctor, they don't ask me can fight.
You know what if I talk, some people will know.
You are Nigerians. They don't say we get culture.
Why I make sure. I cannot even
you get culture. They don't say yes, you get culture.
You have this start button.
I do have for protosocoso.
Me matter so one before I know. God tell me who in that net, in nowhere. In a way, we are talking area. I can not see me make pocket for you because no one I want to make direct. They don't have the number of not so given, but I've also no way away. Or we're giving a young now with salon.
Mona pa WhatsApp, my lady. Speak pidgin English. Speak pidgin English.
Okay, sorry. Where I just come into this matter, I felt up for one day to just say, this now what it concern death. My brother died, the one that seen me direct, he just died 2002 for Spain. That time I can say people will still know. See, my mother died 2 years ago. That pain was still in her. I mean, I want to hear that one. I say 1 year. I'm not asking my own tell Apple. I say, your Apple. They call me. I just go. Even before I reach there. Everything, the boy with the guy that day, I say best friend. After that burial, 2 years, I see that boy.
Never still get himself.
He not get himself. I could be saying, what did happen? I said, this boy nice to me direct to. Now the boy come make me understand, say, I know if you understand my brother. The way my brother, really for that city, I go still talk, I go away days pay for Tenerife. 2002, best way there for Tenerife. Anybody who did that will not say that, but now we can't tell this thing. People will know, if I don't know why they talk, but it's not going to invest me since then, I no comment. For Tenerife, now make Tenerife Spain, yeah, Tenerife for Spain, 2002, best. What happened? Now make if something that happened to you, you have to tell your close person. When my brother for fuck up, the time when they comment, they said, the boy tell me, said that they snooker board. My brother phone ring. He picked the phone. He couldn't answer in the come. He said, who call you? Because you know what in the coin, you go just call now 15 minutes time. Now my brother take come out. The boy say, come wait 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Oh, best no because boy, so no. I be my brother, your go as go sleep. He called the go for road for Tenerife. Then he can see a multitude of police car, people, guys. They can see, all this nonsense Senegal people they set things for playa, because that side river side where tourists they go. Because because that na summer. Because all these Senegal people they don't they wash that they cross. Yeah, the motor don't still jam one. So you see, they can't try to penetrate inside. They can't see my brother clothes. Because this one our best. So now see just say brush and take on the crash. What happen? That's how blast never see come. He said he get the man because their house now duplex. The man where they job now, daughter the man be. It's not the God they not my class say he no go save because we're there for Starbank. Say now he get one this thing loans where there for the bricks. Say now there for Starbank say no go survive because Before I blast, even go finish hospital, and I give up.
Yeah.
Now we can't do everything.
Very sorry.
That make a way, Mama. Even till 2022, and this thing 2002. Yeah, 2002. Yeah, now it happened. And my brother late, and I just knew enter Europe that time. Enter July, my brother late September 4th. I don't forget that date. We do everything. See, my mother late 2023. My mother don't forget that pain. And my boy, first we just lost her daughter. Not 1 month. Never go to a year and 6 months. People without saying me she can't life.
If you be like woman, we don't look date. Where more they Sharon we are way.
My sister, not say that now. What's the lady Esther talk? Well, a petition was sent there. I send the number and go.
Okay, sorry for the loss, my sister.
And I will just see say. No, we are not ready me get Nigbemako.
Enoki we no soon we need a deport in Africa.
You can't saga my children, can't do anything. You can make even make Paliame, make Pali Dutchland, a Palace pay money. Because it's pay me carry. I will tell her, say, when I'm in Zakeka, Mimi, if Bafani Mammy, a big barney, and here I want to he was drive, they're saying. Anytime I'm your name with picture or a picture in there. Anytime I'm with the VMTNC, because I don't know your address. Yeah, you're blocking one. Not be safe for
now.
Because I don't know him, because I don't know the no way take that document again. But the only thing I will do one. Because at the quiet is that just they watch everybody they talk and never come like that. This thing, the one we call happen, so it's too much. What did this woman do easier to way?
Yeah, no, my man, you can never see that they lost the picking.
It's Mona power tap, abe Mona power tap. Why they gift me wa power tap?
God forbid that children not get a boy and 2 girls. Okay, my first daughter now should be
because I'm not who else. Sorry, I've been out to her.
Then she go eat. If you know what eat my advice, at the end, it's not your come backfire to her.
You will be that guy will be mother.
I must quarrel with her.
And Europe be this and I want
to slap the angry with her. It can not fuck up. Mama Esther. It can not fuck up. Where did they Jeremy know? If not me, as I go down, and I tell me, don't see me. In the after one, not one in the phone, guy died.
They go to as a Jeva. Jeva. It was not supposed to, even with video camera, it was not supposed to go there because easy is capable of wish. No, anything concerning those people. When they get with a bed jail, truth, I start by where I say, can you say?
Mama, this is next time I'm
I wear a good day.
My sister.
Who call the police?
I'm not supposed to not call the police. Never they go to your behavior like Oga advice the boy, no your way the right thing. On my way, is your gear, on my way, no way. A boy any record the conversation. On my end now, on my end.
If not me, I must do the needful.
When normally when you may like if you not if you're planning because you have to change the narrative in negative no give we in your way on my own no settle with TV and it was not true. Mutana, this I can explain them enough. It was not true. The video, the audio you're going on now. Eko tiga atameji boy, no ya way the right thing or that is happy, you know. But after we are recorded Godin, you not say now we take Godin a McDonald's. After you are recorded Godin, you na post you na gear what down your name. You are not go.
Just because we're not there. She don't understand, Mama. Egbe no reni. Obije Sharon get lare. A social raw. No about that gekani. All the egg is social. Oh, where every biekana. Tete not a je where ibiekani a bio in your first. All your comu. Yatie. Tribunale di minore. Now we are being
Oma sign igwero moye. Oma sign, Oma na sign, you have calculating. I'm having one. If you not sign, they don't go give her. Yes, now. The only when he sign document, the woman say na the papa pikin be this. If you not sign, not get level. Yes, no.
No, if you Sharon you get here. Maybe they get now. Where they Jenny, no, my sister. Or can we need to woman? Una ya Benny where you need your canny. Here can work a little tie to be a canny.
Eh, boy, ni o wa pe so they don't
police in any way to bed by. When no one won't target Pani or my sister.
According to a good thing. Yes, Sharon restore. On my family story.
Okay, then I'll be on the police in the point. Because may you see Mama Sharon, you may report it. Mama Sharon, leave Mama Sharon. You know, this is
anybody know you know, yeah, drop it well. You can't deport a no kill. Mubai, ya buy. Ama resti jebe on na vie. Niega who ana do I wish you ever like.
It went for good 2 years. My best friend of him, mommy, but my wish he met. Is she met 2 years ago? Oh, yeah, so I met one year, not that no my family. Don't know, Mama.
Yeah, you know the WhatsApp. That will be a message.
Everything. Don't give him an answer when he may. I want to sign his job.
Okay, start faith. Call J. Both we.
Jay. Iwe wawa se no game ya wa yin because me na kan very strong eke. U demo pa no de. That is all your shock agun ya. Wawa see anybody wa get here. Was see ma beg no so very soon. Oni ene.
La waketa for ne waketa for ne. Boa my lady, madame yo.
You are in your boy, what's our gas here, Bonnie? And in no one, I go out here in live video or some day. And very soon, no. People don't know, why anything, no, okay, that is. Oh, you are so pleasant, boy. Where no gina mamie no de, no gina mamie no de. You said Babu Kai, and no soon very soon. Because they need begging, very bad. What was here? Oh, buying, yeah, what's here? What was here? No more time, no get outside, a Jamie, whatever they like one of them.
You are saying speak English. Are you power tapping? Power tap before we speak English. Because we are talking to my people.
Mama, what was happening now?
And Golden, if they try anything to try to take it to the law because of that McDonald's that you went to, you were defending yourself. Golden was defending herself. She was defending herself.
Yes, my lady, my EM notage. We are okay, ne? Okay, you send that account in no. Where be give me the message and send the account again no la go boje. Where's it?
But this is not easy. We're not yet though. We're beneath B. Where we say if they lost their children, they end up with stroke.
Sister Susan, good morning. Esther and me, I may not say your name was standing. Don't want to make a noise in I. Esther me you maybe not soon to die oh. Talk
one day. And then you take it out. This guy is a friend that will come into your family and know your story.
I use it against you. That is the kind of thing she's doing. He got ever true at you. When you are women so to say you know where was a year old. He got all.
When he died, when my among all his friends that is outing Benin movie, they are all better than her. Is he sleep back of his mom? Is he chop mama? Thank you, Mama Wesley. Yeah, Wesley. You crazy?
Shadow God, come on. Yeah, we see each other.
Oh my God, we're not yet. Oh, yeah, don't lost of yet.
No, na power tap. Oh, do what my radio give to me. What we power tap.
Different presenter, no,
Mama. No different presenter. Now, only one different presenter.
Thank you, Mommy Faith. Thank you.
Oh, my God, that yeah, we're not one supposed to know what you do.
Yes.
If you are really a friend, can they shout
nobody they